Don't know, everything now set.
Yeah.
But the fish bad still but I like the steam and the fry. Well, secret seasoning.
Yeah, it's a Harrows seasoning. The buckle you can't throw it here.
Can't throw.
No, and it can't get cold.
Right there.
That's the seasoning I put in it.
Yeah, she want fry escovitch and me want toad steam.
Yeah, man. Come back and touch them till they're done. Yeah, man. Freshly fried. Festival the next one scratch.
I don't know. Shalom, people. It's your boy Lando and I am the Mando. Guess what? We got family in town. I used to change her diapers. Nappy.
Nice.
Sister and her fiance. One wife. Look, alright. We're in Fort Lauderdale. We're going to eat some good food tonight. And I want to introduce you to some good backyard cooking. There's nothing like some good Jamaican backyard cooking, right? So I'm going to introduce you to my spot. I can't really tell you where. Well, I can, but I'm not going to tell you where. Right? So you on an adventure with me tonight.
Yeah.
We don't know what the night entail, but you're with me. We're going to consume some food because Jamaican don't say eat again. I don't know why. And they don't say two again. Them say three. Not three normal. All of that. All right. Road. Nobody say anything possible though.
You look like something.
Alright people, we're here at the baddest backyard Jamaican food in Fort Lauderdale. The one and only Harrows, you know? See it there. Boss run out of fish. They went and bought some more. How long you do this for?
2019.
19.
Yeah.
Right.
Years now, you know?
And the food is good.
Non-stop. Same product every week, you know?
Right.
Fresh we leave it from Key West. And the belly of them, see them there?
Straight from Key West.
No plating.
Alright, that's enough. People waiting on our food, y'all. It's worth the wait. All right.
Yes, I am. So this it, you know?
Everything that goes steam.
I'm gonna fry some steam some. Jabby, you know?
Alright. Everything now set.
Yeah.
But the fish bad still but I like the steam and the fry.
Yes, man. One way we do it, you know?
One way.
Yeah, man.
One formula.
Yeah, man. We're not changing, you know? So you see all the customer then come back and when they miss the taste, you know, they run right back, you know.
Make sure they see that.
Jag har seasoning man kan
Well, secret seasoning.
Yeah, it's the Harrows seasoning. The bottle you can't throw it here.
Can't throw.
No, and it can't get old.
Right there.
That's the seasoning that we put in there. Pretty.
Pretty one. I bet you know you find this much fish so quick.
So you go in and business.
I will make a quick phone call.
Yeah, man. You will never know about to call me too, you know. Yeah, man. You never know about to call me too. Otherwise, when I call them and I get them, they can't call me. So the fish markets too, you know, we have to know one another. That's it.
Where say you go fishing too?
No, we have the boat at Key West, you know, so.
You have a boat?
No, we invest in we have a team of people who link up at Key West. And we just invest in a boat. So I sell raw fish and I cook raw fish, you see it?
Okay, okay, that it makes sense now.
No, so you see what I go on now, you see. Yes sir. We're up on our YouTube live here.
Yeah, I will be on some bowl there.
Fish, you see, I like how you come and have the fish soup. Wait until the year say done.
So what you sell now?
Alright, so we sell lobster, shrimp, anything out of the ocean. Come down to order. Octopus down to
Where does you do come?
The lobster same way. Yeah man,
How you do the come?
Place the order for the come from Tuesday, because fresh come we get from Bahamas.
On Tuesday? Alright, so
we just get come and come on.
So you don't have it on Friday and Saturday?
No, we didn't prepare it, but you have to place the order from Tuesday.
Alright, so that meal, alright, me order some my come. How you prepare? Curry, brown stew, what? Curry, alright.
How much steam you want?
3. Oh, yeah, 3, cause I think that you want steam, right? Steam or could be talk now for every other piece. Escovitch she wants.
Alright, so only 3.
So 2, just 2 then.
So 2?
Yeah. Yeah, drop that in the water, but it's all
No,
good.
they're good.
The special seasoning they about same way.
And 2 for that bread there.
Yeah. Yeah, she want fry Escovitch and me want 2 steam.
Yeah man.
YouTube.
You want it on YouTube?
No, I go find on YouTube, you know.
They hear your voice already, you know. Yeah. People, if you know that voice there, I am same one.
Yeah, man, tell them on the soup, man.
Soup done.
Soup done.
Nah, man, you mad.
Me I tell
If
you,
you ever know what you just happened now, I go tell the boss.
I dug for the beach, me just have to go catch them.
You say you go catch them and come in, man.
Me just have to go catch them.
You can't go from so far from it.
The man say,
No soup done for real, man.
You know that's not what they go on. So good. Now come back and touch them till they're done.
Confident people. Confident. No say reach.
What do you say? You don't have none of that?
No, man. What's the pan, but it's supposed to done. Yeah. Fry that.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Freshly fried. Festival the mix and scratch. I don't know powder mix them.
We know that already.
Yeah.
By the taste you can tell it's a from scratch.
Powder mix and scratch. I already do that already.
Yeah.
Why soup done, my boy?
Can I find one?
Yeah, find out them feet. Or just one. Soup done.
Run out of soup. I may drink the last cup probably. all of the condoms them up.
How the festival? You good? Give me a thumbs up. Alright. Make a wish. I took me want to know.
You know.
Oh.
Winston! Winston! Winston!
Winston. You Winston?
Call him.
Hello, Winston.
I know Winston. I call him Winston.
A Jamaican person.
Come here.
Nobody out there named Winston.
No.
The boss in a work tonight. You don't know Wayne there.
I know Winston, man.
Yeah, in that Jamaican environment, somebody have to name Winston out here.
Yeah, somebody have to name Winston out here.
Are the lady want pepper?
People, this right here is Harrows seafood. This my fish fry every Friday and Saturday night. This is where you need to be right here, man. You see, most of the people we see right, this don't have nothing to do with most of the people that come here. Most of the people call and pick up their food, which is the reason why he ran out of fish. And for him to run out of fish, you know, say enough people are out of food. But listen, the boss do catering, the boss do pick up, so you can call and pick up during the week. But Friday and Saturday night, this is what going on. Right, it's a good vibe, good hangout. He also do catering and he also sells fish. So y'all check out Harrow. I'm gonna put his information down in the bottom, you know, and you can go there. But Harrow, big up yourself. This is the spot. Listen. Let's see the steamed fish. My thing, that. Just pay attention. Look on me. Food, trust me, the food body. I say food good.
She been coming to me for 2 years, but it looked like she only. I thought she was only coming for 1 year.
All right, people. That's the end of that. I enjoyed my food. Food was great as usual, delicious. Y'all go check out Harrows, Lauderdale Lakes, Florida. Latina, how was your fish?
It was good. I love it, y'all.
What did you have?
I had escovitch fish with bami and what other roller something name?
Festival?
Yeah, festival.
Whoa.
And fiber fish.
Adrian, what you say?
Solid man.
Solid.
He had steamed fish and crackers. 10 out of 10.
What did you have?
Anything that you had. Yeah.
Everything was good, people. Everything was 10 out of 10. Even the soup. The soup was bad. Make sure you guys go check them out. I'll put the information down in the subscription. The subscription? It's not subscription. I'll put the information down somewhere. I don't know. You know what I'm talking about. Go check my boy Lando. Appreciate you for watching.